Alright, this user interface works. Like, now it's working better. There we go. So we have, go to the top here. Salesforce, CRM data-driven behavioral shaping. Shalom Akar Sirius A. Atlassian, Dev Tool Coordination, Jira Confluence. Dezem Kamu, Orion Subpath. Google. You could Google everything in the world and Google will pay Mozilla for that click. Global Knowledge Gatekeeper. When the grid is down and you don't have anything to play, you can still go on the internet on Google and you'll see a dinosaur. You press the space bar, it will jump for you. That's like the first Super Mario Brothers. Roa'Min-Daak, Andromeda. Mozilla, open source software and web tools. Not open source. Everything's taken. That's misleading. It's not free. It's not freedom there. Ko-Shin-Mi, Nakal Fractal. KPMG, Global Audit Accounting Power Analysis. Natum L-Ayon, Alt Air Flame. It's kind of like that Alt button on your keyboard. Rapid Displays, in-store display and marketing visuals. V-Ket Roa'M, Vega Aura. Victory Marketing, promo brand agents. Shah Tarum, Sirius Echo. 10 for Hire, gig-based service hiring. On Raya Kael, Lyra Root. Gig Smart, did I do that one? Gig Smart, on-demand labor network. Dar Trem Ketra, Draco La Mer. Uber, transportation via gig control. Mu Sari Ku, Muchi Line. Lyft, ride sharing platform. Ka Li Ram, Sumerian Sync. DoorDash, food gig delivery. Sha Mu'an Va, Earthseed. Earthseed, interesting. That's a special one. DoorDash is very special. Grubhub, online food logistics. El Korati, Venus Gardeners. Postmates, everything delivery. Timara, Mintakan Folds. Disney, global media, myth, dream shaping. Zara Loom, Palladian dreaming. Paramount Pictures, legacy film, media producer. Ta Nekha, or Orion Mythforge.